Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to delve into a crucial topic that affects us all, climate change. In this video, we'll break down what climate change is, its causes, impacts, and what we can do to address it. So let's get started. Climate change refers to the long-term alteration of Earth's average weather patterns, including temperature, precipitation, and wind. It's primarily caused by the buildup of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. These gases trap heat, leading to a warming effect known as the greenhouse effect. The main driver of climate change is human activity. Burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas for energy releases huge amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Deforestation also plays a role, as trees absorb carbon dioxide, and their removal reduces the Earth's capacity to capture these gases. The impacts of climate change are widespread and serious. Rising temperatures can lead to more frequent and intense heat waves, melting glaciers, and rising sea levels. This, in turn, can cause coastal flooding, threatening communities and ecosystems. Changes in precipitation patterns can result in droughts in some regions and heavy rainfall and flooding in others, disrupting agriculture and water supplies. Biodiversity loss is another concern, as many species struggle to adapt to the changing conditions. Coral reefs, which are essential marine ecosystems, are bleaching and dying due to warmer oceans. Overall, climate change intensifies natural disasters and poses a significant threat to our planet's health. While the situation may seem daunting, there's hope. Individuals, communities, and governments can take action to mitigate climate change. Transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power reduces carbon emissions. Improving energy efficiency, using public transport, and adopting sustainable practices can make a difference too. Afforestation and reforestation efforts help absorb carbon dioxide, while protecting and restoring ecosystems is crucial for preserving biodiversity. Additionally, international agreements like the Paris Agreement bring countries together to set emission reduction goals. In conclusion, climate change is a complex issue that demands our attention and action. By understanding its causes and effects, we can make informed choices in our daily lives and advocate for policies that address this global challenge. Remember, it's not too late to make a positive impact and work towards a more sustainable future. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more insightful videos.